Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up accounting in Excel. First, establish a comprehensive chart of accounts. This is a numbered list of all your financial accounts, typically including 5 main categories: assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. Assign a unique number to each account, like 1,000 for cash or 5,000 for rent expense. This structure is fundamental for organizing your financial data effectively. Next, create a transaction log, which is essentially your general journal. Set up columns for the date, a clear description of the transaction, the account affected, and the debit or credit amount. For instance, a cash sale would involve a debit to cash and a credit to sales revenue. Consistent and accurate entry of every financial event is crucial for maintaining precise records. With your transactions recorded, you can now generate key financial statements. The income statement, or profit and loss statement, summarizes revenues and expenses over a period, showing net profit or loss. The balance sheet presents a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. Excel's sum and pivot table functions are invaluable for this. Finally, regularly review and reconcile your accounts. Compare your Excel records with bank statements to ensure accuracy, identifying any discrepancies. Analyze your financial reports to spot trends, such as increasing expenses or declining revenue, which can inform strategic business decisions. Remember to adapt your Excel accounting system as your business grows and its needs change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.